Good morning, students. Welcome to the online class. Today, we'll start the second chapter, File Management, Organization of Data. Whenever we want to store a file, we have to save at that particular location and then give the name of the file. So we can say a file is the smallest unit of storage. Any data, information, program is stored on a named location known as file. File name contains extensions, that is mydata.doc. Here doc is the extension and mydata is the name of the file. A file extension generally depicts the type of data the file stores. For example, mysong.mp3, warrock.doc, image1.jpg, graph.png. Here .mp3, .doc, .jpg, .png, these all are the extensions and these are the valid file names. Next is a folder. A folder is a bigger storage unit that holds the multiple files or even subfolders. Each folder has a valid name. A folder inside a folder is called a subfolder. So a file is to be stored inside the folder. Next is the disk drive. A drive is even bigger. It is named whole or subpart of disk drive. A drive can hold multiple folders and files in it. A hard disk can have multiple drives in it. Next is the storage device. A computer can support multiple storage devices like CD-ROM, DVD, pen drives in it. The disk drives and storage devices have one letter names followed by colon, that is C colon, D colon, E colon, etc. and are read as C drive, D drive and so on. Now if you want to open a file or a folder, then we have to follow certain steps. The first one, on the desktop, just double click on the computer icon. The computer window opens. Once the computer window opens, double click on the drive that contains a file or folder which you want to open. Once a particular folder is opened, then directly you can double click on a file or a folder. Your file or folder will be opened. Now to manage the data properly, sometimes we may have to transfer the data from one device to another device or from one drive to another drive. Here are the steps to either move or copy the data from one drive device or to another drive or device. The first step is double click on the computer, find the file or folder you want to move or copy, then click the particular file or files and select its icons. Next is click organize on the tool or command bar. Now if you want to move your file, then you have to click on the cut, and if you want to copy the file, then you have to click on the copy. Now open the destination folder, that is wherever you want to place your file or folder, and then click on paste. Your file will be copied or moved as per your requirement. We have discussed to transfer the data from one drive to another drive. What if you want to copy a file or folder to a removable disk, that is a pen drive or any other external devices? There are two methods to copy a file to a external device. Let's discuss the first method. First, click on the computer, find the file or folder that you want to copy and then click it. Now click on the organize and then click on the copy. Now browse your computer by clicking computer icon and then open the folder where you want to copy your files. In the destination folder, click organize and then click on the paste option. Your file or folder will be copied to the external device. Now the second method is select the file or folder which is to be copied. Right click on the file and click on a send to in the shortcut menu. Now send to sub menu will appear, where from you have to select and click the desired destination drive, folder or location. Once you click on particular drive or folder, then your file will be copied or moved automatically to that particular drive. Now here are some homework questions that you have to write in your notebook. The answer of each and every questions are already there in the video. Thank you and stay safe.